Well, hello there. Thanks for joining me. This is Activity 44, College Links, and very simple. A lot of you guys probably know how to do this already, and it's just adding a hyperlink into a document. And it's quite nice because all you have to do is just click on it, and it takes you either it can take you in the document somewhere, or most likely what we've done before is just where it takes you somewhere out on the World Wide Web. All right, so I have a picture of Alf here. You're probably too young to know who Alf is, but he's a cool dude. Sitcom back in the 90s. But here we go. All right, so let's say we wanted to hyperlink Central York School District to actually take us to the Central York School District website. All right, so all you got to do is just go out, hi Alf, and then you just find the website you want to go to. So Central York School District. Okay, you want to go to the main page here. Okay, all you do is just highlight the website. I'm doing a Command C. That just copies it, right? Go back to your Word document, highlight this, not Alf, just highlight this. Okay, easiest way to do it is just do a right click and just go to hyperlink, okay? And then now you have a couple options. You can do web page or file, and you can actually do this document, okay? So if you have a really large document and you want to be able to click somewhere where it actually takes you in that document somewhere without going on the web, that's one way of doing it. Or you can type an email address in and it'll hyperlink to the email address. I'm going to do web page or file. That'll take us to our website, district website. And now here, this is kind of cool. So here's the text to display. This is already by default what we want it to display because that's what's right here, right? But a screen tip, this is, when we hover our mouse over it, we can have it say something. So we click this, okay? So watch what happens. Click OK. That's good. Click OK. All right, so when you know something's hyperlinked, obviously you see it look like this. And let's put our cursor on it. And let's check out our screen tip. Pretty cool, right? Okay, do the same thing with pictures. Pictures can be hyperlinks as well. Just click on Alf, right click, go to hyperlink, and the same thing. So we could hyperlink this to Alf's web page, or let's just do, this. And I'll say, Alf is the coolest. Come on, typing here, coolest dude alive. There we go. All right. Okay. So I could click this one, and look, it'll pop up your web browser, take you there. It'll be slick. Or let me go back to my document. Or I could just click on Alf. Look, Alf is the coolest dude alive. Look at my screen tip. Click on Alf, and it'll take you to the website, right? Pretty simple, right? Okay, that's hyperlinking. Bye-bye now.